What's up everyone, welcome to Wingnuts RC. On today's video, we have an unboxing for you of a box that I hope whatever's in there is still in one piece because the box looks rough. But I'm excited to see what it is, so we're going to get that opened up. Also at the end of this video, I have a giveaway to announce because today we hit our 1,000 subscriber mark.
Oh, that's
so,
right.
Yep, so that's awesome. So we're going to give away a car, so stay tuned until the end of the video and I'll announce that. What do we got?
It's a whole bunch of stuff.
A whole bunch of stuff.
A whole bunch of stuff. What's that? That's cool.
This is a drink holder, beverage holder, so you can put your moonshine jars in there and put them in the back of the Blazer or the truck or whatever.
It's a surfboard.
There's
a freaking surfboard. What?
Oh, that thing is cool.
My daughter always
Stickers
uses that
for
for her
the
Barbies.
Alright, let's not. There's a lot of stuff in here. What else we got? We got road cones. This is all from FMS, and I'll put a link in the description of the video here, and you can go check it out. They have a lot of accessories. So here we got like a kayak. That thing's real cool. All kinds of stickers to decorate that up. These are the parts. Well, these are the stacks for the Atlas. Yep. So you can put them on.
Can I put them on? Do you guys want to see me put those on?
You're gonna set those over there in your pile. This is my pile.
Okay. Fire extinguishers.
Yep, we got some fire extinguishers. We got a jerry can, gas can, oil drum, more stickers. These are the parts for the K10 bumper. They even sent a front bumper. That's cool. We got an extra front bumper. Put them in the
these are mirrors.
Mirrors for the Unimog.
That's an orange and a green. Orange jacks.
So here we got an orange and a black. They're boxes, like your accessories box for your on your crawlers. Put them up on the luggage racks in the back. You know, these things look awesome. There's all kinds of stickers to personalize them. Awesome accessory to have for your crawler.
Jacks.
We got jack stands. Oh, those are cool.
No.
You can actually adjust them. Oh, you can adjust them.
You really?
Yep.
More mirrors.
Cool. Yeah, that's the snorkel and mirrors for the Atlas. Put that in the parts pile.
Oh, I'm excited.
Oh, these are super cool. So check out this cooler. I was excited about that. It's like all old school, like the old school aluminum coolers and stuff. So that'll be awesome to throw some of those stickers on, make it look old school. I think Casey's hiding stuff.
No, I'm not. No.
What else do we have in here? We got another, it looks like a first aid kit style box. And then your like go bag. So that's real cool. Another set of accessories from FMS. What else we got
These
here?
are mirrors. Oh my
These
god.
are the door handles for the Atlas.
Those windshield wipers.
Yep, those
Oh
are
my gosh,
windshield
that's awesome.
wipers and mirrors for the K10.
Oh
Now these are lights for the Unimog. Now all these parts here, the replacement parts, they're also available on the FMS website. And basically, the FMS Go event that we had the other week, the kids, they had a blast, but the trucks, some of the little plastic parts got broke off. Luckily, FMS has them all on their website, and they're very affordable, very cheap. So we went on there and got all the replacement stuff for them. I think the only thing we're waiting for yet from that is the axles, and then the Atlas will be good to go.
And then I can build it and run it.
Yep. Yeah, the pins and the axles, after further investigation, Casey tried, I have another video that Casey shot of her in the Atlas, so stay tuned for that one. But when she got back from that, I realized that the pins came out of the front axles, so the axle shafts, they're trashed, and we need some new ones. So we got those ordered, and we're waiting for them to come in, and as soon as they get here, we'll get that thrown back together and get some more footage of that one. But we got all kinds of accessories now, and I think we might have to throw one of these accessories in on that giveaway.
That way.
Do you think he'd like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I think
so we're gonna put together a little giveaway package here. As I said at the beginning of this, we hit our 1,000 subscriber mark today. So I promised you guys I would give away a car when I hit that, and I'm a man of my word. So we're gonna give away this K5 Blazer right here. And this is one that we shot some videos of on the channel here. You know, you guys are familiar with this one, I'm sure. And I've been giving it some thought. I don't have the stuff to do like the random giveaways yet, so I apologize for that. But for the next giveaway, I will have all that stuff. So one of you guys subscribe, because one of you could have a chance of winning the next one. Now, the person that's getting it, they are a subscriber. They do watch my channel regularly. And I was doing an event, or I was doing like a photo shoot for FMS for on their website of a local blazer that had some history in my town and everything. And the family that ended up with it now, their son absolutely loved the truck here. Whenever we went out to do the photo shoot, like he was obsessed with it. He was running it. Actually ran the batteries dead, I think, twice on it when we were out there, and they have like an hour run time. So
He was there a while.
yeah, the whole time I was out there, he was running this thing around. So since he is a subscriber and he is a fan, and since this matches the truck that his family has, I think that he deserves to have this, and yeah, I think he'll really enjoy it. So we're gonna give this to that little guy, and we're gonna throw in one of those accessories. So if you're watching, this is coming your way, but you're gonna have to wait and see what the accessories is. So and also this thing here, I'm not allowed to show you what's under this yet, but this thing is awesome, and I've been comparing it to my other crawlers that like you guys may already have and you may think is the best on the market. And this thing here, what do you think?
It's pretty sweet.
It's sweet.
It's pretty sweet.
It's sweet. And I think that they better get back to the drawing board, because this thing here, I think, is going to beat them in the big three competition. We'll call it that, the big three. The big three.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because you don't want to miss that. You have anything else you want to add?
So I was hiding two things.
What? We got more? This is like Christmas. When they're like, oh, here's another one in the closet we forgot about. Oh, the bike. Oh, I was excited about
Okay,
this one.
keep it.
They have three colors of this. They had a black, I think a blue or red, and a yellow. And I was gonna get the black because I had a Diamondback whenever I was younger, and I love that thing. The Diamondback Skin Doll. It was a dirt jumper. Had the heavy axle since I'm a bigger guy. It's a badass bike. But
Okay, so
anyway,
it's bottles of Coke. Bottles of Coke.
This is not that kind of channel.
What? Bottles of Coke? It's
Oh,
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Dork.
Okay.
And on the back, it's cool. There's a lot of detail. There's like, okay, so there's soda bottles, like bottles. There's little lines in the bottle caps. There's even the little soda, the dots on the
I
side
need
of
my
the
glasses
Coca-Cola.
for this. Where's my? Oh,
Stop it.
what's the My Little Toaster? What was that movie when we were kids? The toaster movie.
The
with
Brave Little Toaster.
Yeah, the brave little. This reminds me of the thing for that every time I use it. My little soldering thing, and my my old man eye looker. Oh, I see it.
You see it? All dots?
How do you see them?
I don't know.
Man, my eyes are worse than I thought. Anyway, that's really cool, and I like. Oh, it's got little bubbles. Do you see the bubbles inside?
No.
They look like bubbles in like soda.
Oh, I do see it.
I like the fact that, so I'm used to seeing like Coca-Cola, and I don't know if you guys can see this, so go on the website and check it out, or order one, or Casey will bring it up from Vanna White.
Like,
So it has like the Asian, I think it's Chinese, I'm not sure, but it has some kind of Asian writing on there, and I like that. I think that's really cool because I'm used to seeing like the regular Coca-Cola, so having something different, like it's neat. So that's really cool. Yeah, I don't know what that says. I'm assuming it says Coca-Cola. I just learned how to read Chinese.
What?
That says Coca-Cola.
Since when?
Since I got these. Alright, so we're going to wrap this up. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment. You know, thank you guys so much for your support. We hit that 1,000 mark. Oh, one more thing.
What?
What's the next giveaway? Are we doing 10,000, 5,000?
5,000. Help us get to 5,000 and we'll give something else.
Alright. We hit the 5,000 mark, and what are we going to give away at 5,000?
Okay, so I want you guys to comment. And
Don't give away any of my favorite ones.
I want you guys to comment and see if I want to see if you want me to redo.
Oh, that's something different. That's not a giveaway. What, you want to redo it and then give it away?
Mm-hmm. So if we get to 5,000, I want to redo a car and then that's the one we're giving away.
Okay, so I'm not gonna say which one it is yet because we got to discuss this further. But it's an expensive one, and it's brand new. I haven't even ran it yet. We haven't even put a battery in that one, have we?
I don't think so.
Yeah, that was brand new. So we might let her customize that one. It is a crawler. It's 1/10 scale, and it's pretty sweet. So we'll let her do that one up, and maybe give that one away
Give us some likes.
at 5,000.
At
Maybe
5,000.
we should put that one off to 10,000. That's a big one. All right.
We're gonna talk about it.
Yeah, we'll get back to you on that one. We're giving away one at 3,000 and one at 5,000. Stay tuned. This is Wingnut for Wingnuts RC.
Casey Jones. Bye.
Peace.